The lonely whale shark. I'm a big yet little whale shark, and I'm feeling sad on my reef. This turtle has a friend. This jellyfish does too. Even these remoras swim together into the blue sea. Why am I the only lonely fish? Oh look! Whale sharks are coming together from everywhere, each with exciting stories to share. I saw an octopus eat a crab. I spoke to a really old sea turtle. A shark with sharp teeth tried to attack me. Have you ever seen a sunfish? I saw two on my way here. If I look closely, maybe I will see it too. For there are plenty of fish I've bumped into. Whether on the reef or in the open sea, if I pay attention, there's enough commotion for me. I met a grouper with a funny bone, and a fish I mistook for a stone. A squid that was terribly shy, and a manta ray that thought it could fly. I'm a big yet little whale shark, and I'm not so sad anymore. At least, not as sad as I used to be. For even though I travel on my own, I'm never alone. And from this gentle whale shark's journey, we can learn some important lessons about feelings and friendship. Recognize your feelings. Notice when you're sad, and understand that feelings can change. Be empathetic. Watch, listen, and play with friends to understand them. Be confident and adaptable. Even when alone, enjoy your surroundings and don't feel lonely. Appreciate differences. Love and respect every creature, even if each one is different. Try the whale shark's lessons to feel better when you're lonely or sad. Recognize and accept your feelings. Be brave and say that you feel sad or lonely. Look around. Notice the fun and interesting things around you. Share and connect. Find someone to talk to, share your feelings, and play with friends. Create your own fun. Draw, read stories, learn English, play music, or enjoy your favorite activities. Relax and move. Take deep breaths, relax, or do some exercise. Now that we've learned some lessons, let's discover a few new words together. Whale shark is A very large but gentle shark that eats tiny sea animals and plankton. It is the biggest fish in the world. Reef is a long line of rocks, sand, or coral under the sea, just below or above the water's surface. Turtle is an animal with a hard shell on its back that lives in water and on land. Jellyfish is a soft sea animal with a round, see-through body and long, stinging tentacles. Remoras are fish that have a flat sucker on their head to stick to bigger animals like sharks or turtles and travel with them. Swim is to move through water by using your arms, legs, or fins. Lonely is feeling sad because you are alone or don't have friends around. Exciting is something that makes you feel happy, thrilled, or full of energy because it's fun or new. Octopus is a sea animal with a soft body and 8 long arms. Crab is an animal with a hard shell, 2 big claws, and it walks sideways. Our little adventure ends here for today. Thanks for joining, and until next time.